Hi, that's me, Steve, on my new BMW R1200GSA Adventure Rallye. I'm just showing you here the standard OEM lights for the bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fit Denali D4s and a Denali sound bomb. Make sure you got your volume up at the end of this video so you can hear that sound bomb blast. Obviously it's difficult to show you everything in detail because it's just me with a camera on a tripod, but I'm taking off all the necessary panels to be able to thread all the necessary cables and wires to where they need to be. I'm also, it's worth knowing, fitting the Denali CanSmart, so the D4s and the sound bomb are all operational via the standard OEM controls on the handlebar. Okay, so what you see in my hand here is the bike specific mount for any of the Denali auxiliary lights. So I've had to take the front nose of the bike off to then fit them to the front frame of the bike. As you can see me tighten the bolts up now. And then I will be hanging the D4s, but you can hang any auxiliary light off these. I'll be hanging the D4s off this mount. And here's the new Denali sound bomb horn. This thing is seriously loud. So I'm going to mount this up in between the forks, paying careful attention that the forks can rotate fully left to right when it's fitted. Now the bike's all back together again. I'm going to plug the CanSmart into my computer, and this gives you options to program the lights. You don't need to do this. You can program the lights through the Wonder Wheel on the front, but it's quite cool plugging it in and making certain amendments to the lights. So the D4s here are set to an intensity of 50% for dipped, and when you indicate, the D4s turn off. Now I have since this video programmed it that the D4s don't turn off when you indicate, and that's a pretty cool hazard feature as well, where you can have alternating, but you don't have to. This is all programmable. There's the strobe effect when you pull it in 3 times. Now turn your sound up, guys. Sorry, it's only a short blast. I don't want to upset the neighbours. You're probably thinking it doesn't sound that loud, but it genuinely is louder than most cars on the road. It just doesn't come across as very loud on the video, but it is really, really loud. Now this picture was taken a few days later, and you might be able to tell that I've swapped out the fog lights for a set of DR1s. And for some of you also might notice, if you are paying really close attention, the D4 lenses have been turned around because in the video I had them upside down. So I just popped the lenses out and swiveled them round so the floodlights are at the bottom and the spotlights are at the top. So here at A Bike Thing and Fancy Bike Thing, we are an official Denali dealer and stockist. So we are stocking all of this stuff. If, however, you don't want to get your hands dirty and it all looks a little bit too complex, we're more than happy to fit the items for you. Please contact me. There'll be links at the bottom of this so we can talk and discuss about fitting options. Thanks for watching.